CryptoStrang here. This morning, I'm going to talk about OKX's two tokens more in depth, OKB and OKT. I've done a couple of videos now about the OKX exchange, talk very fondly about their tokens. I'm just going to be a bit more in depth about them because I think, again, you need to think, obviously, in a bear market at the moment, look at the potential of these projects, the next bull market. It's not financial advice, obviously, but just want to put us on your radar. So I think this exchange has got all the potential to reach the top. I do genuinely believe that. So you can see OKB come rank 54 on CoinMarketCap. The market cap is approaching 749 million. We've got $12.48 at the moment. Volume in the last 24 hours, 6.7 million. Okay, so the supply is obviously really fascinating. The fact there's 60 million out there at the moment, 300 million total supply. We'll go through the burn rate shortly, and you can see again the potential with the token long term. Thinking long term with this, I think as the exchange constantly develops, I think the tokens themselves will do absolutely wonderful. I truly do believe that. Now, I know I showed the exchange before. Talk about all the different sections at the top. I think everything within their ecosystem, everything they're planning with OKX long term. Even spoke the other day about their marketing, getting Manchester City, the Premier League football champions, as a sponsor for their training kit. Again, it was absolutely incredible and just shows how they're really pushing OKX out there. Again, it's another project, another exchange, actually hiring people in the bear market, which again looks absolutely wonderful for their forward thinking, the fact they're not thinking bear market long term, they're taking on people in a bear market, I think really does, again, speak volumes for the exchange itself. So I say we'll go through the OKB, the actual token issued by the OK Blockchain Foundation. Obviously, OKB's got many general use cases. We'll go through it. Now, you've got a bit there, you can buy it. I do have a link below to join OKX Exchange. We can buy the OKB direct. I do appreciate anyone who signs up using my referral link. It's down below. As I say, previous two videos where I've gone more in depth about OKX is purely about the two tokens. But if you want to buy it, you simply hit there and it brings you to here now. Buy crypto in a few steps. Buy Bitcoin and 91 plus cryptocurrency with 91 plus fiat currencies. And it supports Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, and many, many others, third-party vendors, etc. Very, very easy to use and to basically convert your fiat into crypto. Okay, now, many parts of it, you can see here, here's what you get with OKB, trading fee discounts. Obviously, people, they want the general usage on the trading side of it. So obviously you get your discount by using the OKB with them trading pairs. You've got your passive income. Okay, this is obviously great to see. Get passive income with OKX Earn. Now, I'll probably do a separate video that more in depth about all the different passive income things. But again, to me, this exchange gives you so many opportunities for your staking, your savings, your loans, etc., to earn that passive income, which is very important in a bear market. And obviously the token sales, I'll show you that in a minute. And here's how you can spend OKB. Now there's a lot. This is, again, OKB's general usage. You've got three sections: security services, financial services, and utility services. So you can see there all the security services where you can use your OKB. Now the financial services is absolutely huge. You can see there are different pages along the bottom, so there's many, many different ones. And again, using the OKB token itself, which again is absolutely huge to show its general usage. Also, you've got utility services as well. Again, many others. Okay, even Alchemy, shopping various stores with OKB. We spoke about Alchemy before, but I said you've got 3 pages there as well. I'm going to go through every one of them. And even got their bet protocol, bet on games and sports with OKB. So it's so much general usage. Now, how we keep OKB value higher? This is what they're stating. We burn OKB tokens regularly to reduce the supply. This boosts the value and encourages you to hold your tokens. We use 30% of the income from OKX spot trading fees to buy back OKB from the 300 million in circulating supply, the max supply there'll be. Every 3 months, we burn tokens by sending them to a burn address that nobody can access. Okay, now, when you look at this burn back report, now, the last one was basically done from the 1st of March to the end of May, so hopefully we'll get another one end of August. So on this last one, the OKB commenced the 16th round of its buyback and burn program. Okay, in this round, the total number of OKB bought back and burned from the fees, we'll talk about OKX, from the secondary market was 3,755,000. Okay, equivalent to $68 million. The OKB buyback and burn program was initially launched in May 2019 when 30% of the spot market transaction fees was used to buy back tokens. States that as of today, obviously it was the end of May, we have burned a total of 43,611,000 OKB. So we go back to the supply at the moment, 60 million max supply. It's going to be 300 million. Again, to me, that is wonderful. It's project long term. Okay, you've got a link there to prove it. Okay, the burning address link, which is great to see. So again, just think about the token and also this bit. Jumpstart, another section on their site, offers OKX users easy access to new high-quality crypto projects, up-and-coming projects. Invest in new crypto with OKB now. So you can basically get early access to these new exciting projects using your OKB again. So it makes it general usage for that project. And so if you're interested in joining these brand new projects on launch, use your OKB, and you can see there the different how people have done extremely well because they've got access to it. And obviously OKX is the first exchange they've been on. You can look at the all-time high and how much percentage people have made. So it's another section to OKX where you can invest in new exciting projects. And obviously there's no guarantees, no financial advice, no, you've got to do your own research. There's no guarantee, but by getting early to this project, you can see the returns people have had. Okay, it's absolutely incredible. So that's something else to keep on your radar about the OKB token. Now, the other one, which I touched on in the previous videos, is the OKC token, OKT. Okay, the market they're not sure of. I think it's approaching 238 million. Now, current price is $14.17. It's only on 8,000 watch lists. I'm surprised because of their blockchain themselves. Again, this is just up and coming. This is just getting going. Okay, now the self-reported circulating supply is basically 60,708,000. Now the max supply though is just under 42 million, which is really low, isn't it, in crypto speak? Okay, really low. And I find that absolutely incredible. They're only going to be less than 42 million of these. It's $14.70. I'm actually down nearly 7% the last 24 hours. Last 24 hours, I've had nearly $16. So you obviously can buy OKB and the OKT token direct on OKX exchange. Again, what I showed you earlier about the buying, it makes it very, very easy. It's on other exchanges as well, which is always great to see that other exchanges see the potential with another exchange tokens. That is incredible to see. Now, OKB is obviously for the exchange. OKT is for their blockchain and their development. We'll go through that in a minute, but you can buy both these tokens, as they direct on the OKX exchange, obviously. So again, if you want any help getting through it and doing the trade, etc., don't hesitate to reach out. Obviously, you know me, emails info@cryptostrang.com, all my social media links below. Help anywhere I can to get started with OKX. Now, when you go on Reborn for the Metaverse, OKC is a secure and programmable smart contracts platform for the next gen Web3 applications. This obviously speaks highly here. It's 117 million transactions, 12.6 million total blocks, over 2 million addresses. Okay, now the market, I would say, they think it's roughly about 238 million. Now, performance unleashed, you can see there, transactions per second, extremely low cost, compatibility doubled, 100% EVM compatible, Cosmos ecosystem. And it's also got IDO Launchpad and zero gas-free protocol. Scroll across here, security first, decentralized architecture, contract audit service, developer friendly. So build on, they actually give you the chance to build on the OKC blockchain. Now the ecosystem you see is many different sections. GameFi is obviously huge, especially last year. It's actually gone parabolic, hasn't it? Let's be honest. Got there, Play to Earn NFT RPG developed by Rivet Game, built on OKC. You got your NFTs. You've got obviously your DeFi, your apps, which is absolutely wonderful. And I just think as they keep developing, the Web3 alone speaks absolute volumes for what they're planning long term. Now, I know I showed this on the previous video, but just look at the partners scrolling across the screen. There's a lot of partners, a lot of people already invested in OKX, partner with OKX, using the OKC chain, the OKT coin. I think it's absolutely wonderful. We've got the different news here we talked about there. Now, I saw this article it's beginning this week, new projects on OKC in June 2022. So you can see that all the different wallets, you talk about wallets there, but the NFT marketplace, these are all built on OKC. GameFi, the DEXs, you've got your storage, social fire, and the payment, talk about Alchemy Pay. Done a video about that before, and now OKB's accepted on Alchemy Pay is creating launch pads, all about, and it goes more in depth about each one, where people are using it. But this again, to me, was great news. Tether UST is now available on OKC. Now, I've spoken before about USD, and obviously Tether that never use the ERC20 part of Tether, the Ethereum, because the gas fees are horrendous. Just to send $40, $50 can cost you $15, $20, depends on the current gas rate. You know, it's absolutely incredible. So the fact that Tether USDT are going to allow OKC chain to send Tether, again, think about the usage there. It states there, we're excited to announce that Tether, the largest stablecoin by market capitalization, among more than 100 chains, only issues USDT on the top 12 public chains, and OKC is now one of them. In addition to UST, URT, European Peg Tether stablecoin, and XAUT Tether Gold will be available on OKC respectively. Talks about OKC being a fast, super low gas fee, open source platform. The fact that USDT have seen here with OKC and accepted it onto one of their chains for the transaction is great. OKC is one of the few chains at the intersection of Ethereum and Cosmos. It's 100% EVM compatible, yet built with the Cosmos SDK, allowing users to enjoy the benefit of both ecosystems. It goes on to talk about Tether, which obviously speak about a lot. So I think when you sort of go back here and you actually see OKT, the OKC token, and their blockchain they're developing with the partnerships, people building on their blockchain, I can see the potential here really can for the OKT. Okay, once it's actually confirmed its market cap, obviously it'll smash through the charts. At the moment, it's currently ranked so low, so not sure of the market value. So I think that has got massive potential. Obviously, again, a lot of competition, but they've already got projects building on them, and it's a wonderful blockchain. Now, OKB, again, when you think the OKX exchange is number 3 derivatives crypto exchange out there now, I think it would be one of the top exchanges over the next 2 years, easy. Absolutely fantastic. I think it will easily be in the top 3 out of all the crypto exchanges, if not higher. The way they're developing and marketing and constantly developing, again, this really is sticking out to me. So only time will tell. I say there is a link below if you want to join OKX. Thanks very much for that. I say anyone want to help, just don't hesitate to reach out. Now, have a wonderful weekend. Try and have your break from crypto. Enjoy the weather. If you're here in the UK, it's absolutely incredibly hot, especially for us here in the UK. So try and relax, enjoy yourselves, and we'll chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.